there's a fruit group, but only if it's all fruit juice and doesn't have added sugar. Next comes the grain group. Grains are plants, like oats, wheat, and barley. If a food is made from one of these plants or any other grain plant, it belongs here. That means things made of flour, like bread and noodles, breakfast foods like oatmeal and cereal, and even rice are all part of this group. Next up, the vegetable group. I bet you already figured out what goes here. Vegetables come from plants too, but unlike grains, they're either the roots, stems, or leaves of certain plants that we eat.
According to our book, foods and vegetables both are included in a single group.
Carrots, for example, are the sweet orange roots of the carrot plant. A head of lettuce is just a bunch of crunchy leaves, and asparagus is actually a stem of the tasty asparagus plant. There are so many kinds of veggies out there that we can actually split this group into smaller groups. For example, there are dark green veggies like spinach, and starchy vegetables like potatoes and sweet potatoes. Then there are red and orange veggies like beets and carrots, just to name a few. Now, what other foods can you think of? What about the stuff that's inside your sandwich? Meats like chicken or hamburger belong to the protein group, and so do fish like tuna, and eggs made any way you like. But not all members of this group come from animals. Other foods like beans, peanut butter...
Now, I have told you earlier that we can get protein both from the plants and animal source. The animal will be meat, fish, and eggs, and the plants will be lettuce, grams, which we can take protein from both. Now, in our book, not the protein group is mentioned. Meat, eggs, and that group is separate, and cereals and pulses grains are separate. But in this video, they have merged them into a single group, that is protein.
Which is made from soybeans, are full of protein. So they're also proud members of the protein group. And that leaves us with the last food group, dairy. If a food is made from cow milk or soy milk, it's in the dairy group. So this is where you find things like yogurt and all kinds of cheeses, as well as your usual glass of milk. And you know what else fits in this group? Ice cream. But that reminds me, sweet treats like candy don't fit into any of them.
Because according to this video, it doesn't fit in any group, but in our book, this fit in this last one group, that is of fats and sweets, because we have to take it in a very minimum quantity, otherwise they are not grateful or helpful or healthy for us.
That's because they're made of mostly sugar and don't have any of the things that our body needs to stay healthy. So it's okay to enjoy these foods from time to time, but just not a lot of the time. Now, do you think you can put a food into the right group? Let's take a tasty food quiz and see how well we know our food group.
Watch this video carefully, this part of the video carefully, because it's also going to be a part of your home assignment, which I have also sent you people, so watch this one carefully.
Start with a slice of pineapple. What group do you think it goes in? Squeak says the fruit group. Good job, Squeak. Yes, pineapple belongs in the fruit group. What about this hard-boiled egg? What group do you think this fits into? That's right, the protein group. Eggs are a good source of protein. Here's one more. We'll end our game with a food that fits into two groups, macaroni and cheese. Let's look at each part separately. The cheese from the mac and cheese fits into the dairy group because it's made from milk. But what about the macaroni noodles? Well, we learned earlier that noodles are made of flour from grain, so that means macaroni belongs to the grain group. That's right! Macaroni and cheese contains foods that are in the dairy group and the grain group. Whew! All this guessing has made me hungry. Hey, Squeaks, let's make a snack. And remember, the next time you're hungry and head to the pantry or fridge, choose something healthy and see if you can guess what group your food fits into. Thanks for joining us on SciShow.
I hope that you have enjoyed this one video. It's equally informative or related or regarding to the food groups which we are studying right now. The next to which we are going to study about is about the food pyramid. Just a second. Food pyramid is basically the scale through which we got to know how much food we have to take in our daily basis. Like Basically, it's a sketch or scale which provides us the list of food items which an individual should take. Along with the food items, it also gives us the quantity of that food item that that an individual have to take on a daily basis, and it differs from age to age. Like food pyramid of an older person will be different as well as to the younger one. Food pyramids is basically is a sketch drawn by the dietitians or doctors, which provides a person help to have a certain amount of nutrients or calories in the body. In modern days, this pyramid is used to take an idea of intake of balanced diet of all the food in a proper way. In the book, there's also a diagram related to food pyramid that is in this food pyramid. The first one they have mentioned is of meat, all the poultry stuff. The next one is about the milk. The third one is fruits along with the vegetables, and the last one is grains and pulses. I have another interesting video related to the food pyramid which I'm about to share with you as well. Here is the video related to food pyramid.
Hello friends! Welcome to a new Happy Learning video. Today we are going to learn a bit more about healthy eating, something very important to all of us. We already know that healthy foods are fundamental for our existence. They help us grow, be strong, and be healthy. To eat healthily, one must learn about the variety and quantities of the food we eat. We need to learn about the food pyramid and follow its steps. Here it is. The first step on the pyramid, the smallest one, is the one about fats and sweets.
Because we have to take them in a very small and minimum quantity, that's why it's in the smaller part.
It's the favorite one by all children, but to be honest, it is the worst one. One must eat very little or nothing from this step. Pastries and sweets are delicious, but they contain a high number of calories, which are very bad for our body. They make us fatter and don't help with anything. In fact, many doctors agree that this sector is very bad for our health. The second step is formed by meat, fish and eggs. It is very important to vary these foods every single day. You shouldn't just eat meat because you don't like fish. In fact, we should eat more fish and eggs than meat. The third step is all about dairy. This group consists of milk, cheese, and butter. I especially love yogurt. You must eat this food from 1 to 3 times a day. The fourth step is extremely important because it revolves around fruits and vegetables. These foods fill our bodies with vitamins and minerals and allow us to stay in shape and be strong. Doctors recommend to eat these 5 times a day. If you do, your body will thank you. The base of the pyramid, the fifth step, is the group of the carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates are basically the component of grains and pulses. That's why they have given it the name carbohydrates. It's okay if it's carbohydrates or pulses or grains, both are the same.
Cereals, bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes. They are also very important, so we must eat them daily. as well as following the different steps in the pyramid, we need to take into account the advice of doctors and nutrition experts. 1 must try to eat at the same time every day. Eating with family will always be beneficial, and also drink plenty of water.
Water is equally important as the other food groups, as it helps in digestion and keeps our body hydrated. Fruits also helps our body to keep hydrated, but they're not plenty enough, so we have to drink water as well.
Importantly, every day we must do some kind of physical exercise.
Along with the food, exercise is equally important to digest the food, so exercise is must.
If we eat healthy and do exercise, we will grow strong both mentally and physically. So now you know. Bye friends!
I hope this video is equally informative like the other ones I have shared with you people. The next thing, or the next last objective of the today presentation